Amy and Audrey working in the aft portion of the aircraft today. Today's flight is going to be under the command of Captain Tuan Pham and First Officer Laura Johnson. Our flight time over to the island of Yap is going to be 1 hour and 18 minutes. Thank you Mileage Plus members for your loyalty, and to all customers for choosing to fly with us this evening. Our entire United team is here to make sure you have a great flight. While service is our passion and safety is our top priority, please take a minute and review the safety card located at your seat. Please also pay attention to the following safety video, even if your frequent flyer risk each aircraft type is different. Thank you.
Hi, and welcome. We're happy to have you aboard. We appreciate your attention as we get this safety video off and rolling.
FAA regulations require you to follow the instructions of our crew members and comply with all posted and lighted signs. Please review the safety card located at your seat.
It's important to have your seatbelt on at all times. To fasten your seatbelt, slide the metal end into the buckle. Tighten by pulling the loose end of the strap. Lift the buckle to release. When the seatbelt sign is on, your seatbelt must be fastened low and tight across your lap. In case of unexpected turbulence, keep your seatbelt fastened even when the seatbelt sign is off.
Different type of traveler. We seek adventure and 2 times the miles on United purchases. We hunger for new flavors and 2 times the miles on dining and hotel stays.
to the island of Yap, where the local time is approximately 12:49 in the morning. Please stay comfortably seated until the seatbelt sign is turned off. You may continue to use and charge your phones and tablets. And if you're sitting in an exit row, please refrain from plugging any devices into the outlets. Don't forget to check your seat back pocket and area around your seat to make sure you have all of your belongings. And be careful when opening up the overhead bins as contents may have shifted. Once we arrive at the gate, our airport team will be more than happy to answer any questions that you might have. Your feedback is really important to us, so some of you will receive a survey asking about your experience via email or in the United app. We'd love to know how you enjoyed your flight with us this evening. From all of us here at United, our Star Alliance partners, but most especially from your entire Guam-based flight crew, we would like to say thank you for choosing to fly with us tonight. We hope you've enjoyed your flight, and we look forward to seeing you again soon on another United flight. Once the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off, please stand clear of the door areas to allow your flight attendants to complete important safety duties. Once again, welcome to Yap.
This is Yap. Good morning, Yap.
Take the
So
next
I'm
right.
here with Sir Wilson, our chief state program coordinator. So now we're going to ESA Hotel. So this is the lagoon. Wow.
In
Maybe-
300 meters, turn left.
Maybe tomorrow I will jog, jogging around this lagoon, and we're going out to Principal and Vice Principal, and of course Sheena. What happened to my phone? It's okay.
Take the next left, then turn left.
Oh, very close. Woo. So we got it. 202. 202. 202.
Turn left, then turn right.
202. Where's the 202 room?
Take the next right, then you will arrive at your destination.
Yeah. So this is ASA